Parts of Queensland have again been soaked by heavy rainfall, with more than 100 millimetres of rain falling in some areas. This comes as residents brace for more severe storms forecast for this afternoon. Matt Johnston has the details.
Well, good afternoon to you from Buranda in Brisbane's inner suburbs. You can see the ground here is saturated. Lots of flash flooding about overnight and today, but it was outside the city where the greatest impacts have been felt. 90 SES calls made, and at Roma, west of Toowoomba, 2 people had to be rescued from the tray of a ute after it became stuck in floodwaters. Between 100 and 110 mils of rain were recorded on the Sunshine Coast hinterland in the past 24 hours. We have these pictures from Nanango late yesterday afternoon, where a caravan park and a BP service station started to go under. The Mary River near Gympie is reaching a peak of 10 metres. That's well above the minor flood level, so the community there is certainly on high alert today. In the north of the state, Magnetic Island off Townsville had some intense rainfall in a short amount of time, and all of this wet weather has prompted authorities to begin dam releases yesterday. The floodgates, they opened for the first time in 2 years at the largest dam in the southeast, that is Wivenhoe. Southeast Queensland Water says that is in preparation for more rain that's expected. The Weather Bureau says severe thunderstorms are possible across much of the state this afternoon, and as I say, with much of the ground already saturated, those floodplains already drenched, it won't take a lot of rain to cause more flash flooding, so a lot of nervous people around Queensland this afternoon.
Matt Johnston there. Let's get some more on this. And Queensland Police Deputy Commissioner Shane Chalepi joins us now from Brisbane. Deputy Commissioner, what are your main areas of concern?
Well, we have seen really significant areas of heavy rainfall right across the state, north, last night, particularly Sunshine Coast, central Queensland area. And we're seeing our creeks and rivers really responding to this rainfall and seeing a rapid onset of flash flooding. We're seeing the Mary River in particular, it'll move to a moderate flood level today. So it really is concerning that if we get any more rainfall, which is forecast today, that we will see more of that flash flooding.
Yeah, let's go to the forecast. There are storms on the horizon for today. What's your advice for residents in affected areas?
Well, we're watching them very closely as the emergency services, but what we do ask is for the community to be aware of those warnings today around storms, stay in contact with the Bureau of Meteorology advice that's being put out, and take the appropriate action. We are seeing a lot of vehicles in Queensland still driving into flood waters, and the message is really simple: if it's flooded, forget it. You driving into flood waters is putting our emergency services personnel, yourself and your family at risk. And we've been doing a lot of messaging over this, but we're still seeing daily rescues of people taking the gamble of driving into floodwaters.
All right, thank you very much for your time, Deputy Commissioner Shane Chalepi.